Good day, Ma'am Tilando, and today I'm going to explain my work in the Art Appreciation Activity 1, the Soap Carving. So the symbol I choose is the clover. Particularly, the four-leaf clover is often associated with good luck, hope, faith, and love. So each of the four leaves has its own specific meaning which symbolize and connects with my personality. So the first leaf here represent faith. The second one is symbolize hope. The third one bring love. And the lastly is the fourth one is linked to luck. So it connects with my personality because at this age, I value everything as a tool that has something connected to my life and my personality as well. I have a strong faith that no one can replace it. And I have hope that always give me a positive vibes. Next is I value the love given by the important person to me like my family, friends, classmates, and relatives. Next is I have luck that everything happens in my life comes from a good luck. So I value this the most because whenever I connect the four leaves clover, my personality may reflect a balance of optimism, love, hope, and an innate sense of good fortune. So that would be all in my explanation in my soft carving in appreciation.